because the cow has a lactation, they call it lactation, and it's got to go up that peak when they hit 120 days is when they're at their highest point. Okay. You know, and that's when you get some cows 140 pounds a day. See, like this one here, 51 pounds, so she does 100 pounds. She's a second calver. She's fresh over 10 days, so she's doing 50-some pounds. This is a parabone. It's not a herringbone, it's not a parallel. It's a herringbone. They're turned just a little slight, I forget the degrees they turned them, but they still mount to the back of the legs like a parallel, not like a herringbone off to the side. So you milk them to the back legs still.
And how many cows do you milk total?
Well, right now, 640. The robots use brushes in the same solution, and it's basically the same thing, but this is for you do individual cows, and the robot, you got a machine that goes out underneath and washes the teats, and this is basically the same thing. That's how they come up with the future cow. And we use it because this used every time. It washes the cows. It's pretty much the same way. Hey. Yeah, everybody feeds a little different. And we don't push for production, but we get 82 pounds in the summer, and we're running around 70 during the winter. TMG is total grain mix. Ground corn, canola, your minerals, grain distillers, and your soy. What's what we feed. A TMR is you got hay, silage, your haylage, and your triticale all mixed in, or whatever other byproduct, potatoes or carrots, asparagus butts. That's triticale, and then you got haylage, and then you got corn silage. We cut it at a certain moisture, and then we inoculant, packed it. You got to pack it real good to get the air out of it. And then same with haylage. Haylage is alfalfa cut. Instead of drying it down and making dry hay, you put it in a moisture, 50-60% moisture, 55-60% moisture, and you do the same thing. You put inoculant to get it to fermentate, and you cover it, and then it turns out just like that over there. And then you got corn silage over there. This is third pen. These are all first calf heifers. First time having a calf. You might have a pen of cows like this, but there's always one that is the boss of the pen. She gets to eat where she wants. She gets to do what she wants and lay where she wants. And she will push the other cows out of her way to get what she wants. Every pen of cows will have a boss cow. And they have a ladder, like that. They all start at the top and they work the pecking order. And you can move the boss cow out, and then they'll fight to get that pecking order again. Another one will fight to get the pecking order.